has a 2400 mAh, which is a bigger battery capacity. It can support a USB pen drive and also a TF card playbacks. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Junchin. Today we have 3 speakers from Audiobox. It's different sizes, I can let you guys see. First, the Audiobox BBX500 BBX3K series, the biggest one among all of them. You can see how big it is. So I'm going to go through one by one from the smallest first, which is the BBX500. So it says that free mic included. There's a user manual included and micro USB and the aux cable and also the mic connector. So this cable is for you to connect to your mic. Question 1, you don't see an on and off button here. So how do I turn this on? Just slightly push your finger. Then there's a lighting effects over here, which is non-customizable. The audio is a little bit muffling. It's like there's a so-called cover that's okay. The bass is there, and yeah, I can feel the bass too. Then the mode button, which you can change it to FM mode. Press the play and pause button, then it will go until the channel 1, then you press stop.
Hello, it's Junchin lexkillofficial. Wow, it's 2-in-1. You can use it for singing, you can use it for listening to music. Wow!
For the second product, which is the BBX D3000. Oh wow! So you can place it vertically or also you can place it horizontally. It's up to your choice. It has a user manual, a micro USB and also a aux cable at the control center over here. You can see it's almost the same with the BBX500 series. So for the BBX D3K series, it doesn't come with a karaoke mic. It's the same. You just push the volume button to turn on. Then there's a lighting effects. Ooh, I'm surprised that the BBX D3000 series doesn't have the muffling effect. Last but not least, here comes the big one. It's fragile. Gotta take it very carefully. For the accessory wise, other than the micro USB and also the aux cable, it will have also a 2 spare battery for the mic purpose. So previously on the BBX500 series, then the BBX D6000 series, and here's the microphone. Wow, it's wireless for the BBX D6000 series. It has a power button. The difference is when you press the M button, which is the mode button, it can change the lighting color as well. You see? Wow. It can support a USB and TF card. The memory size is also 32 memory size. Alright, that's about it. Special thanks to Audiobox Malaysia for sponsoring me these 3 amazing speaker review for you guys. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to like my Facebook page and also to like the video and share out to your friends. It's Junchin guys, let's kill here. Peace out. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.